So let's look at the tax announcements in MYEFO. The first one is the change to the CGT withholding. And whenever my client sells a CGT asset, the first question I ask them, have you gotten an ATO clearance certificate? So from 1 January 2025, the threshold is reduced to 750,000. So if you're selling any real property, certain types of leases and indirect interest in real property, the CGT withholding will apply. And the withholding rate will be increased to 15%. And it's relevant to everyone, whether you're a buyer, seller, or resident or not. It's relevant to you as a buyer because even if you pass on all the proceeds to the seller, you are still on the hook for the withholding amount to the ATO. If you're the seller, you prefer to get all your cash rather than amount withheld. So you want to avoid that if it's not applicable. And whether or not you're a resident, if you are selling real property, under the law, you are deemed to be a non-resident, which means that withholding will apply unless you get a clearance certificate from the ATO. So if you got a transactional lease for property sales or transactions, it'd be worthwhile including this requirement in the checklist. Also, GICs and SICs incurred after 1 July 2025 will no longer be deductible. So 2 points here, most companies are posting this to the interest expense GL account. So from 1 July 2025, you might want to create a new GL account for this so that they are not missed and the tax adjustments can be automated.